Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see the topic from linear equations in two variables, and that is graphical representation of the linear equations in two variables. And before going this, I request you to watch the first part also. This is the second part, and so go to the playlist and watch the first part also, so that you will get an idea that which type of questions are asked for the graphical representation. And generally this type of questions are asked for 4 marks, but now this year it will be asked for 5 marks. Now let us move to the first question of today's episode. Friends, the question is on the screen. Draw the graph of the following pair of linear equations: x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Hence find the area of the region bounded by the lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Friends, first you have to draw the graph of the given equations, and then you have to find the area of the region bounded by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. It means the area of the region bounded by x-axis, y-axis and this line 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So first we will find the coordinates of x plus 3y is equal to 6, this equation. And so here it will be x coordinate and y coordinate. So what we do, we first write the coordinates, write this equation as y in terms of x. So first we take x to this side, so it will be 3y, that is equal to 6 minus x. And then we take 3 to other side, so y is equal to 6 minus x upon 3. Now we take the value of x and find the value of y. So suppose I have taken the value of x at 6, then it will be 6 minus 6, that will be 0, and 0 upon 3, that will be 0. So when the x coordinate is x6, the y coordinate will be 0. Now the second coordinate I take as 0, that x as 0, then it will be 6 minus 0 upon 3. So 6 minus 0 will be 6, and so 6 upon 3, that will be 3 2s are 6. So y coordinate will be 2. These things you can do orally. And if it is little bit difficult, then you can solve this equation to get the value of y. Now similarly for this equation we will find the x and y coordinates, So for x, suppose I take it as, first we will have to write this equation as y in terms of x. So it will be minus 3y, which is equal to 12. Take 2x to the other side, so it will be minus 2x. Then this will be, take 3 to other side, so it will be y, and since this is a negative sign, all the signs will change, so it will be minus 12 plus 2x upon 3. Now here I go on taking the value of x and find the subsequent value of y, and so here I take x as 6. So if you take x as 6, this will be 6 2s are 12, and minus 12 plus 12, that will be 0, and 0 upon 3, that will be 0. So when x coordinate is x, y 6, y coordinate will be 0. Now I take the x coordinate as 0. So if this is 0, so 2 zeros are 0, minus 12 plus 0 will be 0 upon 3. So it will be 3 4s are 12, and so y coordinate will be minus 4. This is minus 12, so it will be minus 4. Now you have got the coordinates of x and y for first equation as well as the second equation, and now we will plot the graph. So go to the next page to plot the graph. So here friends, first we will plot the graph for x plus 3y is equal to 6. So here when x coordinate is 6, y coordinate is 0. And so the first point 6 and 0 will be here. X coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is 0. So this is 6, 0. Then the second point is what? 0, 2, and there 0, 2, that point will be here. Its coordinates will be 0, 2. And now we will draw a line passing through these 2 points. So draw a line passing through these 2 points. So here we will draw a line passing through these 2 points. It is like this. Now we will draw a graph for the second equation. So it is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So first set of coordinates is 6 and 0. So first set of coordinates is 6 and 0. So it will be same point 6 and 0. And the second set is 0 minus 4. So it will be 0 minus 4. That point will be here. Now draw a line passing through these 2 points. Draw a line passing through these points. Now here draw the line. So here that line is passing through these 2 points, and this coordinate is 0 minus 4, 0 comma minus 4. And this equation is x plus 3y is equal to 6, and this equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. And here we have taken 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So on x-axis what we will write? 2 centimeter, that is equal to 1 unit. And here on y-axis also we have taken the same, that is 2 centimeter, that is equal to 1 unit. Now what is said? We have to draw, we have to find the area of the triangle bounded by this line 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, and the x-axis and y-axis. So that area will be this much. So highlight this area. So shade this area, and you have to find the area of this triangle. So area of this triangle will be what? 1/2 base into height. So if you take this as a base, this will be the height, and you can find the area of this. So name this vertex as O, this vertex as A, and this vertex as C. So OAC triangle, and you have to find the area of this OAC triangle. So here you will see that OA that is equal to 6 units, OA that is equal to 6 units, and this OB is 4 units. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Neglect the negative signs because it is the distance. So OC that is equal to 4 centimeter, and therefore area that is equal to 1/2 base into height, and which is equal to 1/2 base is 6 into height is 4. So it will be 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and 3 4s are 12. So it will be 12 square units. And so the area of the required triangle is what? It is 12 square units. the question is on the screen. Draw the graphs of the equations 4x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 and x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. Also determine the vertices of the triangle formed by the lines and the y-axis. First we have to draw the graphs of these two given equations, and then we have to determine the vertices of the triangles that is formed by these lines and the y-axis. So the given equations are 4x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 and x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. To find the coordinates, first what we will do, we will write this equation in y in terms of x. So first we will take 4x and minus 6 to the other side. So we will get minus 3y, that is equal to, this will be minus 4x and this will be plus 6. And now here take minus 3 to other side. So due to negative sign, all signs will change and it will be y is equal to 4x minus 6 upon 3. So here you have written the equation y in terms of x. And now we will assume the value of x, and then we will find the corresponding value of y. So here first we take the value of x as 3. So it will be 4 3s are 12. So it is 12 minus 6 upon 3. 4 3s are 12. We are taking the value of x as 3, and so it will be 4 3s are 12 minus 6, that is 6 upon 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and so the corresponding value of y will be 2. Now we will take the another value of x as 0. So if you take this x as 0, it will be 4 0s are 0, and so that is 0 minus 6 upon 3. So it will be minus 6 upon 3. So 3 2s are 6, so it is minus 2. So the corresponding value of y will be minus 2. So we have got the coordinates of this equation, and now we will find the coordinates of the another equation also, and so that will be x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. This we will first write y in terms of x. So keep 3y to one side and take other terms to the other side. So it will be minus x plus 9. X we have taken to this side and minus 9 to the other side. Now take 3 to this side, so it will be y is equal to minus x plus 9 upon 3. Now assume the value of x. So first we will assume the value of x as 0. So it will be 0 plus 9, that upon 3. So it will be 9 upon 3. So that is 3 3s are 9. So the y coordinate will be 3. Now take the value of x as 3. So it will be 3 minus 3 plus 9 upon 3. Minus 3 plus 9, that is 6. 6 upon 3, that is 3 2s are 6, and therefore the coordinate of y coordinate will be 2. Now we have got the values of coordinates of this equation as well as this another equation, and now we will plot the graph. Now here we will plot the points for this first equation, 4x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, and so here first coordinate set is 3 and 2. So 3 and 2, that point will be here, 3 and 2, so the point will be here. So this point is 3, 2. Then the second set is 0 and minus 2. So that 0 and minus 2 will be here, that 0 and minus 2. So these coordinates are 0 and minus 2. Now we will draw a line passing through these 2 points. Now we will draw a line passing through these 2 points. this is the line passing through these 2 points, and now we will plot the another equation. The first set is 0 and 3, so this will be the point 0 and 3, and then another set is 3, 2, that will be the same point 3, 2. This point is 0 and 3, 0 and 3. So we will draw a line passing through these 2 points. So this will be the another line, and so this equation is 4x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, and this equation is x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0, and the on x-axis write 2 centimeter, that is equal to 1 unit, and on y-axis also 2 centimeter, that is equal to 1 unit. Now it is said that you have to write the coordinates of the points. Suppose this is point A, this point is B, and this point is C, and you have to write the coordinates of the triangle formed by these 2 lines and the y-axis. So this is that triangle, and we have to write the coordinates, and that coordinates will be A, that is 3, 2, and B coordinate, that will be 0, 3, 0, 3, and C coordinate, that will be 0, minus 2, and we have got the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these 2 lines and the y-axis.